you maybe have been going to sauna for a long time, but you can still make those mistakes that I made. So here's the 3 biggest mistakes that I have made when going to sauna or when I am in the sauna that you need to avoid. Before I talk about the 3 mistakes, I want to list some benefits that come from sauna that maybe you don't know of, and maybe it will motivate you to increase your sauna time, increase the frequency, because the benefits are real. A sauna has benefits for cardiovascular health, muscle recovering and pain relief, mental well-being and stress relief. It will increase endorphins. Endorphins are basically the chemical that makes you feel relaxed. Saunas also improve brain health. There has been some studies where they have found that it decreases the risk of Alzheimer's. It also helps with sleep, because when you come out of the sauna, your body is higher in temperature, so it will signal your body to release or to produce more melatonin. Melatonin is a sleep hormone that makes you more sleepy. Sauna also improves immune system. It triggers something called white blood cells which help to fight infections and illness. And sauna can also help you detoxify from waste, even some forever chemicals and even some tiny plastics that is in your body. Okay, let's go into the 3 mistakes that I have made that you need to avoid as much as possible. Number 1, don't eat too much or too little close to your sauna time. When you eat too much food prior to going to sauna, you will probably feel bad, because when you go in the sauna, your body heats up, and when you eat too much or you don't eat enough, your stomach is too empty, then you won't enjoy sauna so much and you want to get out of the sauna quicker. So just try to keep your stomach fairly full, maybe eat a big meal 2 to 3 hours before sauna. So when you get to the sauna, you are exactly in the middle. You're not too hungry and you're not too full. Number 2, don't forget to drink water with electrolytes. You need to drink a lot of water when you're in the sauna, because when you're in the sauna, you sweat and you lose water. And you need to gain that water back by drinking some water and some electrolytes. Electrolytes are basically salt, but that salt includes magnesium, potassium, sodium, and in some cases calcium. For example, this electrolyte product that I'm not sponsored with tells you that to ingest maximum of 3 teaspoons of salt per day. So when I go to the sauna, I will put maybe 2, maximum 3 teaspoons of salt into the water, and I will mix it with the spoon. So when I'm in the sauna, I will drink it, and it helps me maintain the required salt levels that our body needs. Because if we don't drink electrolytes when you're sweating a lot, like for example in sauna, you can have muscle cramps and you can feel dizzy. And I am usually in the sauna for around 1 hour, and the temperature gets really hot. The average is like 80 degrees Celsius. Of course, when I throw the water in the hot rocks, it gets even higher. So I need to drink a lot of water with electrolytes. So here is how much I drink while in the sauna. For every 10 to 15 minutes, I will drink 1 glass, so it's maybe 200 milliliters of water with electrolytes. That will keep my salt levels normal, and I don't get the headache. Because if you don't drink enough water, and especially without electrolytes, you will probably feel dizzy and your head feels like it wants to explode. So don't forget to drink water, it's very crucial. Number 3, and probably the most important thing, especially for men, is to ice their testicles. Extreme heat from sauna has shown to reduce sperm quality and testosterone production. And if you sauna, the extreme heat will negatively impact your testicles. So you need to protect them. You may ask how? Well, here's the solution. Personally, I take a small to medium size towel and I will soak it in the coldest water that I can get. Then I will put the towel right between my legs. So when the heat comes, it will go into the cold towel and my testicles are protected. And once the towel is warm again, I will soak it again in the cold water and repeat. That way my testicles won't get damaged by the extreme heat. Some things to consider before icing your testicles. If you haven't done that before, try to put the water like in a medium. Try with that, start with that, and once you have done that enough, then you can put the water to max cold and then put it in between your legs. So, in conclusion, don't eat too much or too little before going to sauna. Try for your stomach to be half empty and half full, so you will feel the best in sauna. And don't forget to drink enough water with electrolytes, because if you don't, then you can have some crazy cramps in your legs and your head will hurt a lot. And don't forget to ice your testicles, because it will protect you and your future self will thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any thoughts or topics that you want me to cover, write them down in the comment section down below. And as always, have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.